Body scrubbing made easy with this gadget. Or what about ultra-portable waterproof Bluetooth speaker? Well, stick around, we have some very interesting picks today for you. All the links to the products are in the description below. Cop Roast Fruit and Vegetable Cleaning Machine. Use only water to decrease and remove harmful substances. 10 minutes to clean 3 to 5 large size. No chemical addition is needed for cleaning. Simple and safe extra clean for fruit, vegetable, and meat. The size is similar to a cell phone and working when cordless. Simply press the start button and put it into the water with the fruit or vegetable, and it will auto-stop after 10 minutes. The whole process is easy and smart. This cleaning is equipped with a wireless charge. Put the cleaner on the charging pad and it would auto-charge. It is equipped with a 4,400 mAh battery. It can work 25 times when fully charged, and one time is 10 minutes long. Gur FC55 Body Scrubber. Body scrubbing is made easy with our FC55 rechargeable complete cleansing body brush. Thoroughly deep cleans your skin with a powered body brush with a removable handle, which provides thorough application, and 2 brush attachments are included. You will notice radiant and soft skin in no time. With 2 speed settings and 2 brush attachments, we've designed a brush to work with your skin. At Bureau, we understand the need for radiant skin and how important a thorough deep cleansing exfoliation is. For this reason, the FC55 is the perfect and practical brush to cover your bases when it comes to cleansing your body. JBL Clip 3. Like no other, the JBL Clip 3 is a unique ultra-portable, ultra-rugged, and waterproof Bluetooth speaker that is small in size but with surprisingly big sound. The upgraded durable and fully integrated carabiner clips to your clothes, belt loop, or backpack, making the Clip 3 your outdoor companion on every adventure. The Clip 3 is IPX7 waterproof and offers 10 hours of playtime, powered by a 1,000 mAh rechargeable lithium battery, allowing you to bring your music with you. A built-in noise and echo-canceling speakerphone give you crystal clear calls with the press of a button. JBL has brought music to life in a way people can feel for over 70 years. From Woodstock to the Motion Picture Academy, our speakers unleash the power of music so you can live life to the fullest, wherever and whenever. Please make sure to smash that super thanks button if you enjoyed this video. Farberware Professional Heat-Resistant Nylon Meat and Potato Masher. This multifunctional tool from Farberware can serve as a meat chopper or potato masher, easily chopping and stirring ground meat, mashing soft cooked foods, and chopping and stirring fruit juice concentrates, frozen fruit, or homemade sauces and spreads. Made of BPA-free nylon, this chopped meat masher is heat-resistant up to 450 degrees Fahrenheit, making it safe for all of your hot foods. Easily cook ground beef and ground turkey with this multifunctional meat chopper utensil. The 5-blade design lets this hamburger meat chopper double as a masher, quickly mix and mash softer cooked foods like potatoes, yams, pumpkin, squash, rutabagas, turnips, parsnips, carrots, apples, bananas, and more. Safe to use on all types of cookware, including non-stick and coated. Blaver Solar Power Bank. With over 10 years' experience of portable solar power banks, Blaver has already gained the favor and trust of over 27 million global users. Blaver only uses the highest-grade materials to provide safe and reliable products to customers. 5-volt 2.4 ampere output, 50% faster charging speed, and 0 damage to your devices. Support charging 3 devices simultaneously, multiple charging or recharge methods, freeing your worries of a power outage. Compatible with iPhone, iPad, and most smart devices, Blaver uses the safer lithium-cobalt battery, which is 50% more cycling times than a normal live polymer battery. The smallest and lightest portable charger on the market, real rated 10,000 mAh. A full charge can recharge the iPhone 8 3.6 times, iPhone 14 Pro 2.2 times, and the iPad Air once. NutriChef PKVS Sealer. Cooking and meal preparation will become easier, less expensive, and faster, as you will be able to equip and organize your freezer with fresh food, ready to be defrosted and served, or fresh ingredients instead of freezer-burned food filled with ice crystals, which will probably end up in the trash can. Polyamide sealable bags withstands food temperature of 212 degrees Fahrenheit max. Fully automatic simple electric plug-in design with a control center placed on the top panel and soft-touch digital buttons along with LED indicator lights, a smart device at your family's service. iWalk Magnetic Wireless Power Bank. Battery power LED indicator shows when the battery is full or getting low. Wireless power bank supports PD 18-watt input and output. With PD input, the power bank can be fully charged within 2.5 hours. PD output provides 4 times faster charging speed for your devices than conventional chargers. An intelligent temperature control chip controls temperature precisely to keep battery temperature low for your better use. As the magnetic power bank has been hot while charging is normal. If overheating, it will reduce the charging speed automatically or stop charging until the temperature turned down. Wall Deep Tissue Therapeutic Handheld Massager. Using a combination of our attachment heads allows you to experience a professional-grade massage. From a deep, invigorating feeling to a gentle, soft massage, and everything in between. Lithium power, along with a portable charger, makes it easy to take professional-grade massage wherever life takes you, whether it's at home, at work, in the car, or travel. Provides up to 7 hours of runtime on a single charge. Offers a customized experience with variable intensity that allows you to choose your pulses per minute with the variable speed dial from low 2,000 to high 4,000. Wall has lower lows and higher highs compared to competitors' massagers. Lax Gadgets USB-A to Lightning Cable. Tired of your Apple Lightning cable breaking apart at the connectors? I wish you had a longer version so you could use your device comfortably while it's charging. Replace your short factory cord with the Lax Gadgets 2-in-1 Lightning Cable. This product is 100% Apple NFI certified, so it's the real deal. Use it with your Apple iPhone, iPad, or iPod, and enjoy the freedom of being able to use your device on the bed or couch while it's plugged in. Thanks to built-in strain relief reinforcements, you can move around easily without worrying about the cable disconnecting from the Lightning or USB connector. Lil Gadgets Connect Plus Style Premium Kids Headphones. Lil Gadgets' mission is to provide kids with a premium product they can love and an experience they can enjoy. With over 6,000 4-star and 5-star reviews on headphones for children of all ages, parents who feel comfortable knowing that Lil Gadgets stands strongly behind its products. We hope our headphones make your entire family happy and give you a chance to connect, share, and love. From the family that brought you the Untangled Pro Bluetooth wireless headphone and Connect Plus wired headphone that reimagined children's headphones, the Connect Plus style is a beautifully designed, high-quality, wired children's headphone for children aged 3 to 7, featuring the integrated SharePort to make sharing a little easier between kiddos. Slice 10593 Auto Retracting. The Slice 10593 Auto Retractable Utility Scraper is another finger-friendly addition to our expanding line of safety tools. It features a rounded tip 10,526 safety blade housed in a sturdy, ergonomic, reinforced nylon handle with soft grips for user comfort. Compared with manual scrapers, auto-retractable scrapers typically risk causing hand strain as the user absorbs pressure in the thumb that keeps the blade extended. Slice solves this problem by introducing SureScrape, a mechanism that reduces strain so users don't have to choose between safety and comfort. As with all Slice safety ceramics, the 10,593's blade is oil and lubricant-free, chemically inert, and never rusts.